Today, before I start this video off, I'd like to give a shout out to Dan from Dan Wells Design. He sent me two pieces of wood, a piece of maple and a piece of black walnut. Today I'm going to be turning the piece of maple. My objective is to get a small bowl out of it. We'll see how it works out. And Dan, sorry it took me so long to turn this wood, but I had other things I had to get out of the way before I could focus on my own projects. But anyhow, thank you very much. Totally appreciate you, brother. And for the rest of you, I hope you folks enjoy the video. I'd also like to mention that this piece of maple smells really good. The entire shop smells like maple syrup. I have bought wood blanks in the past and they smell nothing like this piece of wood. I don't know why, but whatever the case, really smells good. This piece of maple was really nice to turn. I put my moisture meter on it. It indicated 10%. The ideal moisture content for wood turning is 6 to 12. This was perfect. The smell was amazing. The whole process of turning this piece of wood was really easy. I really enjoyed doing this piece. Now to add a couple of coats of sanding sealer. This will help out in stabilizing the wood and also will give me a nice smooth finish when I'm done sanding. Pretty much done with the piece. Now to apply some pure walnut oil. I'm really happy with the outcome of this particular project. It was pretty much effortless. I'd like to thank Dan again for sending me these two pieces of wood, the maple and the black walnut, which I'll be turning the next couple of days. Anyhow, if you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.